My name is Shaumya Sarkar और आप देख रहे हो Wealth Redefined blog. In today's blog, we'll be talking about a very common fund. This fund is very common among investors as well as among advisors. Now, today we are talking about SBI Small Cap Fund. SBI Small Cap has done a phenomenally well in recent past. I think most of the investors who are taking advice from advisors as well as who are doing their own research must come across in this fund. So we will be talking about how this fund has grown over the period of time, how it is doing, what is the benefit and how it will do in the future also. If you look at the fund growth, today this fund is approximately more than 10,800 crore AUM. In 2016, the fund was not even having 800 crores of AUM. 2016, it was having approximately 700 crore of AUM, and from there it has grown to approximately 10,800 crore of AUM. By the time we are recording the video, we may see approximately 11,000 crore of AUM also. So that means that fund has done phenomenally well, which catch the eyes of the investors as well as advisors, and they start putting the money into the fund. Now the next question which comes to investors' mind is that how the fund is doing. See, if I talk about last 1 year kind of a thing, the fund has not beaten the benchmark. So if the benchmark return is approximately 54%, the fund has given approximately 48% kind of a return. If I talk about last 2 years kind of a return, then it has done almost similar to the benchmark. But if I consider 3 years kind of a return, then it has beaten the benchmark. When you are investing into a small cap kind of a product, you must be invested for at least 7 to 10 years kind of a time. So just holding the fund responsible, not beating the benchmark in 1 year may not be a good idea. Because when you are holding for 10 years of time or 7 years of time or 8 years of time in a small cap, you must see that in a 7 years of time whether it has beaten the benchmark or not, or that way. Because a lot of time when a fund start performing, the fund manager needs to book profit on something, he remains in cash, he finds another good option and then invest the money, and all those things, the return can be compromised. If I talk about the fund's PE, it is approximately 40 and price to book value is approximately 5.4. That means the fund is slightly on the expensive side but not that expensive side. We may not see small cap going to have a PE of approximately 10, 11, 12, 14, may not be possible. So if you talk about the benchmark index, it has given 92% extra return than a benchmark index on an absolute term since inception. If you talk about Nifty small to 50 benchmark, it has given excess return than the benchmark in a longer period of time. It has a Sharpe ratio of 1.06 and Sortino ratio of approximately 1.13. If I look at the portfolio of this fund has invested companies like JK Cements, Vigard Industries, Blue Star Limited, Navin Florent, Finolex Industries, and V-Mart Retail kind of a companies. So if you look at the funds, the way the fund chooses the company, it shows the fund mostly choose the right kind of stocks at right point of time and go for some kind of value investing. And that is one of the reasons that fund has done those phenomenally well. I think that Mr. Srinivasan, who is the fund manager of this fund, has done a phenomenal job with this fund. Though last 1 year and 1.5 years small caps have done really well, but I still feel that SBI small cap has done exceptionally well in terms of managing the assets also. If you look at the sector-wise allocation, it has mostly allocated into capital goods, chemicals, consumer durable and FMCGs. Usually when you are managing a small cap fund, usually you do not go for high-end banking kind of companies. You mostly restrict yourself to this kind of companies, and I think chemicals is going to do well in future. Now come to one of the major points, the drawdowns of this fund. If I talk about the drawdowns, the fund has faces drawdowns from January 2018 to December 20 kind of a time, and then it has started doing well. This is a big drawdown, but the fund manager, Mr. R. Srinivasan, has executed the drawdowns well, get back to the track and started performing. I think the way SBI small cap is performing, it will remain as a star performer in the small cap category. And another part which is very important is that the fund manager has restricted the inflows. That means the fund manager is not like to take more fund in this SBI small cap, so that his analysis of funds as well as deployment of funds should not go wrong. I think this is a excellent thing which it did, and SBI small cap still has a restriction that an investor cannot do more than 25,000 rupees of investment into that fund in a month. So we are going to give a big thumbs up into this fund. I think this fund is going to do well and will remain star in the small cap category. Thank you for watching the video. If you like it, you may subscribe to the channel. We will come up with this kind of videos regularly. You may share among your peers, as well as you can send us questions based on the email and the mobile number available. Thank you for watching. Namaskar.